today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your trial plan on Shopify. This process might seem a little daunting at first, especially if you're unfamiliar with the interface, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through each step smoothly and efficiently. First, let's start by heading over to the Shopify website. You'll want to open your preferred web browser and type in shopify.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll see a login option on the top right corner. Click on that and enter your login credentials to access your Shopify account. It's always a good idea to double-check your login details to ensure a seamless login process. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your Shopify admin homepage. This is where you can manage all the settings related to your online store. You might feel like it's all a bit overwhelming with so many options available, but today we're focusing specifically on deactivating your trial plan. Now, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your admin page. Here, you'll find the Settings button. Give it a click. This is your gateway to all the behind-the-scenes configurations of your Shopify store. Within the Settings menu, you'll see a variety of options, but for this task, we want to focus on the Plan settings. Click on Plan to proceed to the next screen. In the Plan section, you'll observe details about your current subscription or trial plan. This section is incredibly useful for keeping track of your billing and understanding the different options available. However, if you've decided that you're not ready to commit to a paid plan, or you've completed your trial experience, it's time to deactivate your trial. Look for the Cancel Trial or Cancel Plan option. It should be clearly labeled and usually found at the bottom of the plan page. When you select this option, Shopify will typically ask for confirmation. This is a good feature that helps prevent accidental cancellations, ensuring that you're making the decision intentionally. So go ahead and confirm the cancellation. You might be prompted to give a reason for your cancellation, and while this is optional, providing feedback can be valuable for Shopify's ability to improve its services. Once you've confirmed, congratulations. You've successfully canceled your Shopify trial plan. You'll receive a confirmation email, which is a handy way to keep track of your cancellation for future reference. Remember, even after canceling your trial, you can always reactivate your subscription should you decide that Shopify is the right platform for your needs in the future. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process clearer and less intimidating. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.